Hi everyone, this is Rob Roy and welcome to this Elliott Options Pro Trader Tips. In this recording we're featuring SBUX. You can see our trade ID was 1104 and it was in our time strategy, which is our income-based strategy designed for stocks that go sideways. It's AI based, so I'll talk about it in a moment. It was a put calendar spread. As you can see on the entry, and by the way, all the alerts at ewotrader.com have a page like this. Every time we send one out, we send out alerts for entries and exits. The entry alert went out on May 1st, and the stock had a big drop, which is one of the keys that we're looking for because we're looking for that IV spike on the stock going to the downside. And then the AI comes in and gives us a score on the likelihood that we're going to stay in one standard deviation after the drop. I've often noticed over the years that when stocks have a big drop, they kind of go sideways, but the AI comes and gives us a higher percentage chance. Now, when we take a look at this one, you can see that the stock at the time was trading at around $74. I drew support down here around 70 because that was support going back to last year. So the likelihood was that we weren't going to stop right here. We might drift a little lower, still staying in one standard deviation, however. And that's why we use the 70 strikes to set this up. So we sold the May 70 put. That was only 3 weeks left because it was May 1st with May expiration. And we protected that with the long June 70 put. So we had a slight downside bias to this alert. And the exit was sent out on May 7th, just 6 days later. And the stock did exactly what we thought. It drifted down towards that 70 area. So we had a little bit of a directional move, which is why we were able to generate such a nice gain in a short period of time. Calendar spreads usually take a couple weeks for time decay to go by and the IV to drop. But when you get just a tiny bit of directional move in your favor, you can speed up the process on generating the gains. So we ended up with just over 36% in that 6 days. Pretty nice result on a calendar spread. So the tip here is that you can put a slight directional bias just by using basic technical analysis like support and resistance when you set things up. So we use the AI, we use basic technicals, and we generated a nice result. I hope you found that informative. I look forward to talking to you again soon. Take care, everybody.
If you like these recordings, I'd like to invite you to join our new Trade Finder Live, where each and every week we do a live webinar where we talk about the market, but we also go a little more in depth into the technical analysis system that we utilize to forecast where the market's likely going to go, and also to identify trading opportunities. Get your free subscription today. Take care, everybody.